In an important verdict concerning the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, the Supreme Court on Tuesday ruled that the National Company Law Tribunal has no authority to ask creditors to settle with the defaulter, though it has the power to either summarily reject or certain entertain pleas for initiations of insolvent proceedings. Observing that India is situated in a tough neighborhood, US President Joe Biden's nominee for next envoy to New Delhi on Tuesday said he will double down on America's effort to strengthen India's capacity to secure its border, defend its sovereignty, and deter aggressions. The UN has said there are credible allegations of more than 100 extrajudicial killings in Afghanistan since the Taliban took power in August, with most blamed on the country's new rulers. The Supreme Court on Tuesday allowed a widening of major portions of the strategic Char Dham Road project in Uttarakhand to enable speedy development of men, machinery, and armament by the armed force on the India-China borders. A day after the SIT probing the Lakhimpur Kheri violence submitted that it was a premeditated conspiracy and charges under attempt to murder, among others, be added to the charge sheet against the 13 accused. The new coronavirus variant Omicron is spreading at an unprecedented rate, the WHO said Tuesday, urging countries to act swiftly to rein in transmission and protect their health systems. With the China, Russia, and the US actively building aerodynamically maneuverable hypersonic weapons that fly over 5 times the speed of sound, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has directed DRDO to move fast towards developing such arsenal to maintain India's minimum credible deterrence against adversaries. An accused can be granted pre-arrested bail even if he is in custody in connection with another offence, Bombay High Court held on Tuesday. Quad is a very contemporary arrangement having an open-minded and creative approach that has helped in moving very effectively in addressing various problems, External Affairs Minister Jai Shankar said on Tuesday. In permitting the Char Dham project while keeping an eye on environment protection, the Supreme Court on Tuesday said the jurisprudence of sustainable development is deep-rooted in Indian environmental law, which prevents a trade-off between environment and development and ensure inter- and intra-generation environment equity. Actor Sonu Sood deposed as a prosecution witness before the special MCOCA court on Tuesday in the 2014 shooting incident related to producer Kareem Morani.